So here I'm just mixing up. I poured my baking soda in.
Make sure not to make it too watery or else you won't get good results.
Just a little bit of hydrogen peroxide to it. And I'm really just trying to get like that creamy consistency like you would do with the regular box dye. So you can put it in there and stir it up. And I will upload little clips of how you turn out. So I am dyeing my hair with baking soda and peroxide. I already got it mixed up. It's kind of been sitting for a while. So here we go. It needs to glare, so sorry for the glare. But basically I'm just gonna put this all through my hair and I'm gonna part it in sections and just put it in. So I'll start in the front so you can see. And I'm not doing any type of specific order. I'm literally just grabbing pieces of my hair and the baking soda, and I'm just doing the baking soda and peroxide mix, and I'm just putting it in there. Literally like this. Trying to get it as even as possible quickly. And it's kind of messy, so I'm gonna have to stand up, but I'm gonna upload clips of the results. Okay, this is what it looks like on my hair. And I just cut my hair. So we're gonna see how it turns out. I think I'm gonna leave it off about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. And just to see, but I'm gonna check on it throughout the week to see if the color is changing. But I will upload some pics or a video, whatever, of the result. So this is the outcome. I tried to twist it so you can see. So it got lighter, you know, it did get lighter, but I wanted it all over. So I'm really thinking about doing it again, but this is the baking soda. And baking soda is alkaline, which your hair likes acidity, so it's really not gonna be good. Baking soda can really like thin your hair out and all of that good stuff, all that bad stuff really. But yes, this is the results. Okay, and that is, so that's me testing out. Just a check. You can lighten your hair using baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next week with another video.